Hello, welcome. This is Blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm at Lapinki, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that. Yes, we can see Bitcoin now above 30,000 US dollar, the first time in the last 10 months. So we can see that Bitcoin is doing pretty well actually this year, going now higher and higher. Then the second topic is again about Bitcoin, because it tops Google trend search. Actually, it's more searched than the world, Donald Trump. And the third topic is all about that China keeps stockpiling gold and adds actually 18 tons in March to reach with this 2,068 tons in national reserve. So what's the plan with it? Guys, all this in today's video. Don't forget, every single day I'm making these videos for you. Not just one, a couple of videos, so a longer video, a couple of short videos to keep you up to date. So if that's important, then definitely hit the subscribe button, subscribe button all, and then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Then now let's start it. And for start, as usual, let's have a quick look at the prices. Well, Bitcoin is doing pretty well now, 6% up just in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is just 3% up, just compared to Bitcoin. I mean, Ethereum above 1,900 with $16, while Bitcoin is at 30,059 US dollar. When we're looking at the top gainers, you see a render token 16%, Conflux 14%, Injective 12%. When we see the losers, no losers right now. So actually, Bitcoin and the crypto market is right now looking pretty decent. When we're looking at here the candlestick chart, if you remember yesterday, I did talk about it when I drew this triangle here, that actually the breakout coming soon. I was actually guessing like rather maybe the 12, the CPI data, when it comes out tomorrow. It can actually make the price move if it's not moving until that. But guess what? Yesterday, just when we broke this line, this yellow line here, then we couldn't stop Bitcoin, and it went all the way up to, what's that, 30,457 US dollar, and then now we're staying above 30,000. So now, you know, 30,000, it's really here around, as I drew this line here as well, a big level. If we look at all the way back, look, just go like this. So as you can see, you know, this here also, and you know, so that area. Let's look at these support points, resistance. Here many times support. So it's a massive level in my opinion, and because of this, it's very important what now Bitcoin is doing. Does it continue to the upside, or it depends? For example, tomorrow the CPI data is coming out, what is Bitcoin moves after that, or actually we going a little bit down. It can happen as well, but you know, the only thing is now here when I'm watching the volume is not that strong compared to this breakout what we're witnessing here. And usually when the volume is small, this is not good, it's not long-lived. However, now we have so many different circumstances, the reasons why actually investors, people buy Bitcoin, because the problem of the fiat currencies. So it could be now a different situation, but it's hard to guess. So anyway, you know, sorry. You should take profits definitely if you have some, and you can leave some chips on the table, but not financial advice. You do your own thing. The next I'm watching here around 32,000-ish. You know, this could be the next level. But it would be nice to actually see Bitcoin to settle here and actually go here sideways or wide. So using 30 as a support would be a big move forward. And you know, actually the first topic, it's just continue. It's all about this. It's just no, it's not worth it to restart it and talk about differently. So now in the last 30 days, Bitcoin went up 46%, but it went quite a lot in this year, and it becomes the best performing asset in Q1. The fear and greed index is definitely in green with 68, so all these things looking good. MicroStrategy is actually now in plus with their investment because they have already accumulated 140,000 Bitcoin, and their average price is 29,803 per Bitcoin. And now, because Bitcoin is above 30, so now they are actually making profit on this big amount of Bitcoin. So that's crazy. Okay, yeah. So next step, we'll see which direction we're moving. Tomorrow we're going to have the Shanghai hard fork at the Ethereum network. We're going to have the CPI data coming out. So a lot of interesting things. Next topic, it's all about that the Bitcoin is top at Google Trends. So we can see that in the United States, people really searching the word Bitcoin because it tops actually Donald Trump is just the second. When we're looking at here the research in the last 30 days, actually when we look at this, look on the second place is Donald Trump, and actually it was just above Bitcoin search when the reports of the former president's possible arrest emerged. But this was like 4th and 5th of April. After that and before it, Bitcoin is in lead, and actually it's in front of breaking news. For example, when it comes to search, Elvis Presley, Disney World, and so on and so forth. So we can see that Bitcoin is getting very popular. And guess what? If it's such a hype around it, that will bring even more people who are interested. When they see Bitcoin price going up, more people probably going to FOMO in. And if that continues, that can definitely increase Bitcoin price. So how far we will see, because I'm not waiting for all-time highs this year. I think that would be too early. I rather would guess it coming after the halving. But now we don't know the situation with the fiat currencies, with dollar, with all these kind of things. So regulations coming up sooner or later. A lot of things can happen which can move Bitcoin in either direction and the cryptocurrency market. But right now it looks like a hot topic, and many people searching the word Bitcoin, especially in the United States. Right, okay, and now the third topic is all about that China keeps stockpiling gold and actually adds 18 ton just in March. So China is, it's keeping stockpiling gold because, many people are saying that their plan is to come out with a currency maybe which is dollar backed. And what they're doing, they're accumulating gold for a long time. And now, according to this article, they add just 18 tons in March. And with this, they have 2,068 tons in national reserve. So China has constantly added to its gold reserve since November, purchasing more than 100 tons in the last 5 months. So that's a lot of gold. Demand for gold being strong in 2023, according to the World Gold Council, which believes that the central bank will keep hoarding gold this year. So in 2022, the same institution registered record numbers in central bank gold purchases, with central banks acquiring their highest amount of gold since 1974. So the reason behind the renewed gold rush have to do with the need seek refuge in safer assets during inflation times. Because as you can see, the US dollar, the world reserve currency, facing troubles inflating, and there is, kind of moving away from the United States dollar in many countries. As you can see, this starts a new trend. So the safe zone it's rather gold than keep it in cash, and this is what we can see from central banks worldwide doing. And actually, this is pretty big. That's the request from banks. It's the biggest since 1974. according to The Economist, China might be preparing for an issuance of gold-backed currency as part of the BRICS strategy to reduce dependence on the US dollar. So this could be another reason why they're doing that. A gold market analysis is saying that has stated that the gold price might touch $8,000 mark in the next decade as central banks start shading foreign currencies reserves and run to gold. So yes. Gold price is actually going up also recently. It's around $2,000 right now, but it could easily happen then new gold price record coming in this year. And yes, the central banks are accumulating gold. China accumulating a lot. They probably have a plan with it. Looks safer, much safer than have it in the US dollar. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every day I bring you a couple of fresh videos, short videos, long videos to keep you up to date. So if that's important, then subscribe and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. I'm back tomorrow with the freshest. Have a good one. Bye-bye.